Can you hear us?
Yes.
You demand.
Yes,
You demand.
Okay.
Oh, you don't demand. Okay. Yeah, no, you okay? Can you hear us now? You can hear us.
Yo.
Baby daddy.
Oh, what you got going on?
When I get your number, I'll send you my booty pic.
Yes.
He needs some milk.
I need your help, yeah? So I'm stranded in Lagos.
Huh?
And I need you to send your account details. Can you send your account details? Wow.
Say you move the cow.
Hey man, it's your boy Crystal Creeper, aka Dark Sage Chocolate. You already know shit. Jenzo! I'm back in this video with another big body. Yeah!
Who am I introducing you? Like, anyone deal with me? I want you to enter. What you guys should put me meet will.
What guys?
Like,
In this corner, wait.
exactly, you know. Yes.
One eternity later.
Hey man, so we're here with
It's your boy, Eminem, you know.
yeah. So guys, we're going to be trolling on the monkey app today. If you don't know the monkey app, you're gonna know it today. So you know what it's going to be vibing, you know. Shit, yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Get me. What the fuck, bro?
I'm trying to see your face real quick, is that cool?
Well, you can add my Snapchat or take my number.
I mean shit, you can drop it in the chat, you know?
Oh, how old are you?
Sonny, you?
You're not 20. You're fucking lying.
Bruh,
Okay.
how do you think I am?
I'd say like around 17 going on 18.
No, what?
Bro, you tripping, bro. You tripping.
Okay, let me rate your friends.
Okay.
I rate you a 9.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, which one am I rating?
So look, me, I'm from Nigeria.
I don't really get two shit that you're from Nigeria.
Why your body gun is scratching?
He needs some
Me
milk.
personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
What's wrong with you? What's your problem? What's your problem?
You get like a...
Nah, I don't give a fuck about you rating, though. Chill, bro. Let me rate you.
You're fucking shit. Pass the bomb, bitch.
Nah. Chill. What the fuck?
Yo, what?
She want me.
You like what you see?
Yeah, I got chocolate. Yo.
Give the phone back to your boy.
A few minutes later.
How old are you?
Well,
12.
Good night.
Just go.
You push out fun.
What do you channel? Pull up in your block. I got my nigga with me.
Fuck off,
Vaughn.
my head.
And Dirt.
Bond and dirt.
Slide it. You sliding, bro.
Fuck the ops, gang shit.
Yeah, bro. We
Yeah,
trying to live, bro.
bro.
Trying to get lit, bro.
Real Ghana.
Boy, if you don't get
You just guns, you know? You don't go to school or something? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? You just do gun signs. you don't do something else in your life or something? You're laughing. It's not funny, man. You're wasting your life. You're wasting your future, bro.
No. You know why?
You just out here doing gun signs. Oh, shit.
What's up, Kate?
oh, let me see the one over there.
Show
Let
us
me
your
see
face.
the one over there.
He cute,
My
yeah?
girl. Yeah, you fine, babe.
Yes, sir!
You wanna see something?
Yeah.
Huh?
Bet.
Oh.
Yo, relax.
Alhamdulillah, I keep it halal all the time, like 100%.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Chill. Let me
Bro, what you on, bro?
You want me to fuck your young?
What do you mean by that?
Chill. Yes, Dad. That's what you want. How old are you? Tell me the truth. You're 12. 19. And you want me to fuck your nyash? 19. Go call your mama. Go call your mama right now. Nah, I ain't kidding. I ain't playing. No, chill. Go call your mama. You need something in your nyash. Why you so bothered about your nyash? What the fuck, bro?
What happened to the original plot of the movie?
Yo, what's up?
Yo.
I'm from Nigeria. What's your name?
You said Missouri?
Nigeria, bro.
Nigeria?
Yeah.
Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna say y'all have that, right?
What does that even mean?
We don't have water.
I know y'all have water. I'm not.
Nah, you were trying to say
No, but like.
Okay, bye.